Okay, let's go to ground floor. Hello. Ayan, doon sa dulo yung yung restaurant. Ayun, ganda naman dito. Gala-gala moment. Holiday is life ng mga OFW. Hihi. Okay. Diyan ang restaurant. Ganda, diba? Okay. Philippines?
Yeah. And then you follow.
From Singapore. We come here from Singapore to Indonesia.
But you're originally from Philippines.
Yeah.
Our Indonesian people also.
Yeah, I have lots of friends in Indonesian and they are very nice.
Singapore, like you
Yeah. So I like that. I have 3 friends Indonesian and 2 Myanmar, and yeah, we are look like the same color and everything. Yeah. It's a nice place here. We always eat here. And
Wow.
thank you as well.
You can have with your family. Holiday.
Yeah. Hello. Okay. Hi. Bye-bye. I just wait to my order.
Alright.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay. Ito yung order ko. Carbonara. Try natin. Masarap bang luto nila dito sa Indonesia or sa Singapore? I think pare-pareho lang naman yan, di ba? Okay, dahil gutom na po ang inyong hinday, kakain na po tayo. OFW Life.
Number 1.
This is not number 1. Ah, yeah. Oh, look at that. Wow, so cute.
Number 1.
Do you have number 1? Wow.
Where's my daddy?
I don't know. Where's your daddy?
My mom as well.
Yeah, where are they? Oh, this is the one. Oh, I know now where to go to that playground. Let's go. Let's go and find out. Let's see. Oh no, we're gonna get wet. We're gonna get wet. So that is. Wow! Hop, 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 hop. Correct. Yeah. So this is in the information. We did the. This is number 1. Ah, look. Oh, there's a leaf. Oh, look at this. Yeah, wait. Oh, that's nice. So this is level number 5. See that? Level number 5. It's there. So we're going to find out where is the pool. So that is the view. Okay. It's all buildings there. Now, I'm going to this one. English talaga. Oh, is that thunder? Oh no, it's a motorcycle. Oh, okay. Similar. It's a lot oh, that is really a motorcycle sound. Ganda naman din. Puro mga building naman. Your balloon, your balloon. Your balloon, balloon, balloon. Your balloon. Number 5. Lahat ito, nakikita nyo ay mga kwarto. Ayan. I think we are almost in swimming pool. Yeah, we found it! Sabi ko sa'yo eh, dito yun eh.
That's Esteban. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.